Oh my God! What are they doing? And why is he screaming? A-R-A-B. Arab. It's a word that describes a group of people, us.
And unfortunately, the media only shows the bad side, the different side.
For example, this video on YouTube with 1 million views. A bunch of people screaming in the desert with swords. That's what comes to mind. That's what the media shows.
That is people's perceptions of Arabs. But what is the reality? To answer that question, Steve and I are flying to see that tribe in person.
Turns out, they live in the mountains of the Emirates, only a short flight away. We flew over the mountains and landed here.
Hold on, ready. I'm on ready set at all times. I just need somebody to say go.
Go!
Yeah.
We drove and drove and drove until we arrived here.
This is crazy!
Only to be greeted with this.
Is the Al-Shehe tribe that lives in the mountains, and these are my brothers.
Welcome home.
Now, what you just saw is a very old tradition. They used the screaming, the weapons, the yells as a battle cry. They used it to intimidate the enemy, and that's what it was used for, and that's what they're keeping alive in this culture.
These are very old tribal traditions, but don't let the old traditions confuse the image about Arabs now. In 2020, this tribe is as modern as it gets. They live in beautiful houses by the mountainside. They drive very nice cars. They have very normal day jobs. And you know, some of them are skipping meat to become vegetarian.
صراحة أنا ما أكل اللحم إنسان نباتي.
Now, this screaming is used for wedding ceremonies like the one we did for Steve. And the tribal dancing is a sign of brotherhood and unity.
My Arab brothers have soul. They have soul, they got rhythm. They like it, it moves with them. It's for the beat, the music, it's in their soul, you know.
This is a beautiful experience that we think everyone should come and see. No one is shooting anything, everyone is friendly, and everyone is happy.
And that, my friends, is the point of this video. Because what you may think of as Arabs as scary, it's not true. We are very much the same. We are peace-loving, happiness-seeking, success-seeking people. And that's what this video is all about, to show you what I've come to learn for myself, that this is a wonderful place and you should come see it for yourself.
People are people and they're just like us, but with slightly different beliefs, slightly different looks, slightly different traditions. But deep down inside, they're all the same.
This isn't just Arabs, this is all cultures and races of the world. It is time we appreciate the different and celebrate it.